Imagine a world where every asset, whether it's real estate, artwork, or even your favorite baseball card, can be bought, sold, and traded in a digital marketplace as easily as sending an email. Sounds like a distant dream? Well, it's not. Tokenization and blockchain are rapidly transforming the way we think about ownership and value exchange, moving far beyond the world of cryptocurrencies. But how exactly does it work, and what does it mean for the future of finance? In today's video, we're diving deep into the world of tokenization and blockchain technology, exploring how these innovations are revolutionizing industries beyond crypto. By the end, you'll understand the groundbreaking potential of tokenization, why it's a game changer, and how it's already reshaping various sectors in ways you might not expect. So, let's get started. What is tokenization? To begin, we must first define what tokenization is. Simply put, tokenization is the process of converting ownership of real-world assets into digital tokens on a blockchain. These tokens are unique representations of physical or intellectual property stored on a decentralized ledger, enabling them to be easily transferred, sold, or traded without the need for traditional intermediaries. While blockchain and cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin are often associated with one another, tokenization is a broader application of blockchain technology that extends far beyond digital currency. Tokenization allows a variety of assets to be represented in digital form, opening up a whole new world of possibilities in industries ranging from real estate to supply chains. The blockchain behind tokenization. Blockchain technology is the backbone of tokenization. It is a decentralized, immutable ledger that securely records transactions across multiple computers. The beauty of blockchain lies in its transparency, security, and efficiency. Every transaction is recorded in a block and linked to the previous one, creating a chain of transactions that cannot be altered. In the context of tokenization, blockchain acts as the secure platform for storing and transferring digital tokens. The decentralized nature of blockchain means that there's no central authority overseeing transactions, which reduces the potential for fraud and increases the trust and reliability of the system. Why tokenization matters? Tokenization matters because it democratizes access to valuable assets. Traditionally, many assets, like real estate or high-value artwork, were only accessible to wealthy individuals or large institutions. The barriers to entry were high, with significant capital required to invest in these markets. Tokenization breaks down these barriers by allowing assets to be divided into smaller, tradable units. For example, instead of needing hundreds of thousands or even millions of dollars to purchase a property, tokenization allows you to own a fraction of that property for a fraction of the price. This opens up investment opportunities to a much broader range of people, from small investors to large institutions. The rise of tokenization beyond crypto. While cryptocurrencies were the first major use case for blockchain technology, tokenization is now expanding into many other sectors. Let's explore some of the most exciting and transformative applications of tokenization beyond cryptocurrency. Tokenizing real estate, a new way to invest. One of the most promising areas where tokenization is making a significant impact is real estate. The real estate market has traditionally been inaccessible for many individuals due to the high upfront costs of property purchases and the complex processes involved in buying and selling properties. However, with tokenization, real estate can be divided into smaller tradable units. Imagine being able to own a share of a luxury apartment or a commercial property in New York, all from the comfort of your home, without having to deal with traditional paperwork, agents, or middlemen. By breaking properties into digital tokens, tokenization enables fractional ownership, allowing investors to buy as little as 1% of a property and receive proportional returns. This opens up the real estate market to a global pool of investors and increases liquidity, making it easier to buy and sell shares in properties. Tokenizing art and collectibles, unlocking new markets. Another exciting use of tokenization is in the art and collectibles market. Art, rare collectibles, and other high-value items are often seen as illiquid investments. If you wanted to invest in a famous painting, for example, you would need millions of dollars to make that purchase. Furthermore, once you own the artwork, selling it again can be a lengthy and complex process. Tokenization changes that. By creating digital tokens representing shares of artworks or collectibles, individuals can now invest in and trade these assets in a way that was previously impossible. This is particularly beneficial for high-value art pieces, where fractional ownership can allow many people to participate in the market, sharing the appreciation or depreciation in value. In essence, tokenizing art democratizes the market, enabling anyone with an internet connection to invest in pieces of cultural history. Plus, it introduces an entirely new level of liquidity, making it easier for buyers and sellers to engage with the market. Tokenizing intellectual property. The future of creative works' intellectual property, IP, is another area where tokenization is poised to make a massive impact. IP includes things like patents, trademarks, copyrights, and even digital assets like music and video content. These intangible assets are often difficult to manage, protect, and trade. Tokenization provides a solution by creating digital representations of these intellectual properties, enabling them to be traded on blockchain networks. This could potentially allow creators to sell partial ownership of their works, or allow investors to hold a share in a valuable patent, music track, or trademark. For instance, a musician could tokenize a portion of their royalty earnings, allowing them to raise funds for their next project while still retaining ownership of the song. This could revolutionize the entertainment industry by providing new funding models for artists and opening up a new investment class for investors looking to profit from intellectual property. Tokenizing supply chains, increasing transparency and efficiency. Another promising application of tokenization is in supply chain management. Supply chains are often plagued with inefficiencies, lack of transparency, and fraud. Tokenization offers a way to track the movement of goods from the manufacturer to the consumer, ensuring that all parties involved in the supply chain can verify the authenticity and quality of the products. By tokenizing products at each step of the supply chain, companies can create a transparent and traceable system that reduces the risk of counterfeiting and fraud. For example, a luxury handbag could have a digital token attached to it, confirming its authenticity and tracking its journey through the supply chain. If you're buying the bag from a retailer, you can verify that it's not a counterfeit and that it was sourced ethically. This increased transparency not only protects consumers, but also helps companies build trust with their customers and increase operational efficiency by reducing administrative costs and paperwork. Tokenization and blockchain technology are unlocking new opportunities in industries far beyond cryptocurrency. From real estate to art, intellectual property to supply chains, tokenization is democratizing access to assets and creating new investment opportunities for people around the world. While challenges remain, the potential of tokenization is immense. As the technology matures and regulatory frameworks catch up, we are likely to see tokenization become a mainstream part of the financial landscape. If you're an investor or business owner, now is the time to start paying attention to tokenization. The future of finance is digital, and tokenization is leading the way. Don't miss out on this transformative technology. Subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with your network. Stay ahead of the curve and be part of the revolution in finance.